Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in a world where every step you take leaves a footprint the size of a small car? Welcome to the world of giants. Today, we'll meet the unique creatures of nature, animals whose size and strength are so impressive they almost seem like something out of a fantasy. But they are real, and each one is not just an extraordinary organism, but a living testament to the incredible possibilities of evolution. Ready to feel small in the vast world of nature? Then settle in and prepare to be amazed, because we're about to explore the realm of giants. Crocodiles are true giants among reptiles. The largest of them, saltwater crocodiles, can grow up to 7 meters in length and weigh over a ton. These predators appear ancient because they have barely changed over millions of years. They have incredibly powerful jaws, some of the strongest in nature, and can easily crush the bones of their prey. What's especially interesting is how cunning crocodiles are. They observe their prey, memorize its habits, and wait for the perfect moment to strike. Their ability to remain motionless in water, staying almost invisible, makes them even more terrifying hunters. The Watusi is an unusual African cattle breed with massive horns that can reach up to 2 meters. These horns help them to stay cool in the heat since they are porous and allow air to flow through. Since ancient times, the Watusi has been considered a symbol of wealth and strength. They were bred with great respect, providing milk as a source of nutrition and playing a role in rituals and celebrations. Despite their impressive appearance, Watusi cattle are known for their calm demeanor. Today, they can be found not only in Africa, but also on farms and in zoos worldwide. Catfish are fascinating inhabitants of water bodies, notable for their impressive size and unusual appearance. Their whiskers serve as sensory organs, helping them find food even in murky waters. Thanks to their ability to adapt, catfish can live in rivers, lakes, and even ponds, enduring low oxygen levels and sudden temperature changes. Some catfish grow to an impressive size, up to 3 meters in length and over 100 kilograms in weight. Despite their formidable appearance, catfish generally lead a peaceful lifestyle, hiding on the bottom and hunting at night. No, it's not a giant praying mantis. It's an Australian stick insect, one of the largest insects, reaching up to 25 centimeters in length. It can barely fit on a hand. Its bright green body with patterns help it blend in with tree branches. These insects live in Australian forests, feed on leaves, and are completely harmless. Thanks to their unusual appearance, they are popular among exotic pet enthusiasts. We've all seen small snails slowly crawling on grass or glass at least once. But could you imagine that some of them can grow so large that they can't be held with one hand? African giant snails, for example, can reach up to 30 centimeters in length, with their shells weighing several hundred grams. These creatures, despite their slow pace, are impressive in scale and remarkable in structure. These giants live in tropical regions and play an important role in the ecosystem by recycling organic waste. However, they've caught the attention of people to such an extent that they are now bred in captivity worldwide. Some even keep these snails as pets. They require minimal care, eat vegetables, and can live up to 10 years. Gorillas are among the strongest and smartest animals on Earth. These giants, weighing up to 200 kilograms, amaze not only with their physical power, but also with their complex social structures. They live in families led by a dominant male, the silverback, who maintains order and provides protection. Their behavior and ability to use tools demonstrate high intelligence. Despite their intimidating appearance, gorillas are peaceful herbivores, preferring leaves and fruits. Mantas, or giant devil rays, are majestic rays that impress with their size and grace. Their wingspan can reach 7 meters, and they can weigh over 2 tons. They are currently considered among the largest fish on the planet. Despite their formidable appearance, mantas are completely harmless to humans. They feed on plankton, filtering water through their enormous gills. These rays inhabit warm oceans and often accompany divers, almost like giant friends. Mantas are also known for their intelligence. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, indicating advanced self-awareness. Lobsters are majestic ocean dwellers with true blue blood, as unlike humans, their blood contains copper instead of iron. They can grow up to a meter in length and weigh up to 10 kilograms while not aging for decades thanks to their unique ability to regenerate cells. Their powerful claws act as perfect tools, one for grabbing and the other for crushing. Interestingly, lobsters were once considered poor man's food and even used as fertilizer for fields. Today, they are a symbol of culinary luxury, gracing the tables of the world's most expensive restaurants. The stag beetle looks like a miniature medieval knight armed with massive jaws that resemble antlers. These antlers look intimidating but are used by males not for attacking, but for spectacular battles with each other to win a mate or territory. Interestingly, most of this insect's life is spent in darkness. The larvae of the stag beetle can live up to 6 years, hidden in wood and feeding on its juices, while the adult beetle enjoys its brief glory for only a few months. White lions are a true mastery of nature and a symbol of beauty. Their unusual color is not due to albinism, but a rare genetic mutation called leucism. These lions have fur that ranges from creamy to pure white, while their eyes remain bright, often blue or amber. For a long time, it was believed that white lions existed only in the legends of South African tribes until they were discovered in the 1970s. Today, these extraordinary predators are extremely rare and mainly found in reserves where they are carefully protected. Elephant seals are true giants among marine mammals, astonishing not only with their size, but also with their unusual habits. Male elephant seals can weigh up to 4 tons and grow up to 6 meters in length. Their massive noses, resembling trunks, are used to produce intimidating roars during mating season. These ocean titans spend most of their lives in the water, diving to depths of up to 2 kilometers and staying underwater for over an hour. They only come ashore to mate and molt. During the breeding season, males engage in impressive battles for harems, which can include dozens of females. Imagine a creature that looks like it stepped straight out of the pages of a dark fantasy. This is the salamander, a mysterious amphibian that seems to belong to ancient magic. Its brightly colored skin, which can be black with fiery yellow spots or even deep orange, seems like nature's warning, "Don't touch." And indeed, salamanders have a secret weapon. They secrete a toxic substance to deter predators. But their greatest magic lies in their incredible ability to regenerate. Lost limbs or even parts of their heart and brain can grow back, like something out of a science fiction movie. This remarkable skill has made salamanders a subject of fascination for scientists, hoping to unlock the secrets of regeneration. Spiders can evoke fear in many people, but giant spiders, those that look like they've stepped out of a horror movie, are in a league of their own. These massive creatures, with their enormous legs and intimidating eyes, leave a lasting impression. Imagine a spider the size of a dinner plate crawling across the ground, and it's enough to make anyone uneasy. However, despite their fearsome appearance, most large spiders pose no threat to humans. They hunt small animals, and their venomous bites usually cause nothing more than skin irritation in people. The coconut crab is a true giant among its relatives. It can grow up to 1 meter in length and weigh up to 4 kilograms, making it the largest land-dwelling crustacean in the world. But its uniqueness isn't limited to its size. This crab is also known for its extraordinary ability to climb trees and even crack open coconuts. They use their powerful claws to break the hard shells and access the meat inside. Interestingly, coconut crabs spend most of their lives on land, often sheltering in tree hollows, although they can swim in the ocean when needed. Jellyfish are true titans of the deep. Some species, like the Nomura's jellyfish, can reach astonishing sizes, with their domes growing up to 2 meters in diameter and their tentacles stretching as long as 30 meters. These jellyfish appear as giant, translucent spheres, gliding through the water and creating an almost mystical atmosphere. Their venomous cells are designed to paralyze and capture fish and other small creatures. Occasionally, they can even disrupt ecosystems when their populations explode, impacting fisheries and other marine resources. In front of you is the Atlas moth, one of the largest and most beautiful butterflies in the world, with a wingspan that can reach up to 30 centimeters. It gets its name from the characteristic patterns on its wings, which resemble peacock eyes. These eyes not only serve as decoration but also as protection. In nature, they scare predators by creating the illusion of a larger, more dangerous creature. Despite their size and vivid appearance, adult atlas moths are not very active flyers and prefer to perch on trees or bushes, hiding from threats. Interestingly, adult moths do not eat at all. Their sole purpose is to find a mate, while their larvae can consume even poisonous plants, making them resilient to external dangers. Octopuses are true masters of stealth and survival in the depths of the ocean. The largest of their kind, such as the giant Pacific octopus, can reach up to 9 meters in length, including their tentacles, and weigh up to 275 kilograms. These giants of the underwater world are remarkably intelligent and possess remarkable flexibility, allowing them to squeeze into the tightest spaces to hide from predators or hunt for food. Octopuses are known for their ability to change the color and texture of their skin, blending perfectly with their surroundings. This helps them not only camouflage, but also ambush prey unnoticed. Despite their size and strength, they prefer a solitary lifestyle. Their venomous bites can be dangerous to certain marine creatures, though they are generally harmless to humans. Have you ever heard of giant roosters? It turns out these are not just large breeds, but true giants among their kind. These roosters can grow to an incredible size, reaching up to 1 meter in height and weighing over 6 kilograms. Giant roosters are the result of selective breeding aimed at creating not only large, but also productive birds. While their size might make them appear intimidating, they are typically calm and good-natured, making them ideal for farms. Their large bodies also make them highly effective at protecting other chickens and even fending off pests. Rhinos are among the most majestic animals on the planet, with massive bodies and powerful horns that make them easily recognizable. These animals can grow up to 4 meters in length and weigh up to 2.5 tons, making them true giants of the savannas and forests. Despite their intimidating appearance, they often lead solitary lives, preferring to avoid large herds. Their horns, made of keratin, the same material as human nails, are their defining feature. They use them for defense and in battles with other rhinos over territory or mates. Flying foxes are the true kings of the night sky. With a wingspan that can reach up to 1.7 meters, they are among the largest bats in the world. Despite their impressive size, flying foxes feed exclusively on fruits, nectar, and pollen, earning them the nickname fruit bats. Interestingly, they have excellent night vision and rely on their sight and smell rather than echolocation like their smaller relatives. Their fluffy faces make them look like flying foxes, adding to their unique charm. There's no better embodiment of a nocturnal hunter shrouded in mystery and intrigue than the owl. These birds amaze with their enormous eyes, unblinking gaze, and ability to fly silently. One of their most remarkable traits is their extraordinary hearing, allowing them to detect even the faintest rustle, whether under snow or in complete darkness. Their ability to turn their heads 270 degrees is another famous feature, compensating for their immobile eyes. Some animals have long become symbols of specific countries or even entire continents, like the kangaroo in Australia. These marsupials are renowned for their powerful jump, which allow them to leap up to 9 meters in a single bound, and for their unique autonomy, perfectly suited to life in a hot climate. Their long hind legs and tail are not only essential for movement, but also for defense. When threatened, kangaroos can fight back with powerful kicks. The kangaroo's most iconic feature is its pouch, where females carry and nurture their young. Joeys are born tiny and continue to grow in the safety of their mother's pouch. Kangaroos have adapted well to living near humans and often become a familiar part of suburban landscapes in Australia. During World War II in the Congo, a Dutch colonel flying with 2 passengers noticed something extraordinary in the jungle. The colonel described the creature as dark green with a triangular head the size of a horse's. This event remains a mystery. Some consider it proof of a giant snake's existence, while others dismiss it as an optical illusion. Nevertheless, such an encounter would leave anyone stunned. Romper, the largest donkey in the world, has earned a place in the Guinness World Records. This giant from Texas astonishes with his size. He stands 173 centimeters tall at the withers. Romper belongs to the American Mammoth donkey breed, known for its large members. But even among them, he is a true record breaker. Despite his impressive stature, Romper has a kind and calm temperament. His owners shared that he loves interacting with people and has a patient disposition. Thanks to his remarkable size and friendly nature, Romper has become not only a record holder, but also a star among animal enthusiasts. Titanoboa was an ancient giant snake that lived on Earth around 60 million years ago and is one of the largest predators ever to exist. Scientists estimate that it could reach lengths of up to 13 meters and weigh about a ton, making it the largest snake in the planet's history. Although Titanoboa is extinct, some researchers believe its descendants may have survived in remote parts of the world. There are accounts of giant snakes sighted in the Amazon jungle that resemble the ancient Titanoboa. Local legends, such as tales of the snake god of rivers, Boina, also support this theory. Some eyewitnesses claim to have seen enormous snakes up to 7 to 10 meters long, suggesting that such creatures might indeed be hiding in inaccessible regions.
Have you also noticed that our time together flies at the speed of light? We can't wait to see you in our next episode. See you soon!